treating kitchen scraps as gold to make your garden thrive. Welcome to the world of DIY natural plant fertilizers. The first treasure is coffee grounds. They're great for acid-loving plants. Just mix it into the soil. Next up is banana peels. They provide potassium that plants need. Combine them with water for a plant-pleasing solution. Eggshells are another secret. Crush them for a calcium boost, crucial for plants. Now onto wood ash. It supplies potassium and phosphorus, enhancing plant health and bloom growth. Sprinkle it into your soil. Fish tank water, post-cleaning, is chock full of nitrogen and phosphorus. And finally, green tea. A mild but potent nutrient lift. Pour cooled tea into your plant pots. Composting is nature's recycling process, enriching the soil, retaining moisture, and keeping our earth clean. Organic fertilization not only revitalizes your garden, but also reduces waste and contributes to a healthier planet. In summary, coffee grounds for acid-loving plants, banana peels for potassium, eggshells for calcium, wood ash and fish tank water for potassium and phosphorus, and green tea for a nutrient boost. And remember, composting, the ultimate enhancer. Your trash can be your garden's treasure. Have you tried these natural fertilizers? We're eager to hear your experiences and answer any queries. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant care content. Let's create thriving gardens. Let's recap the key points we've discussed in this video. We've introduced you to the concept of DIY natural plant fertilizers, turning everyday items into plant food. Coffee grounds, banana peels, eggshells, wood ash, fish tank water, and green tea, each providing essential nutrients that plants need to thrive. These natural fertilizers not only feed your plants but also have several other benefits. They help reduce waste, turning what would have been trash into a valuable resource for your garden. They are also kinder to the planet, minimizing the use of synthetic fertilizers that can harm our ecosystems. Moreover, these natural fertilizers provide a wide range of nutrients that can help your plants grow healthier and stronger. They enhance soil fertility, promote plant growth, and increase yields. And the best part? You can make them at home, saving both your money and the environment. So why not give these natural fertilizers a try? Observe the difference they make in your garden. We're sure you'll be pleasantly surprised by the results. And remember, your efforts are contributing to a healthier, cleaner planet. Before we wrap up this video, we would love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these DIY natural fertilizers before? If so, what were your results? Are there any other natural fertilizers you've used that we didn't mention? Please share your experiences and tips in the comments section below. Your input could help other gardeners just like you. And if you have any questions or need more information on natural fertilizers, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help, and we'll try to answer your questions in our upcoming videos. We're always looking for new topics to cover, so your questions might just inspire our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more plant care content. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support, and it helps us continue to provide you with useful gardening tips and tricks. We want to thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope you've learned something new and that you're excited to try these natural fertilizers. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. So let's continue to make our gardens and our planet healthier. Stay green and happy gardening.